Are you facing financial challenges? Try adding these 5 Feng Shui plants to your space. 1. Money plant. Why it works. Symbol of wealth, luck, and prosperity in Feng Shui. Placement. Southeast corner, wealth zone, near a window with indirect light. Pro tip. Tie a red ribbon around it or place it in a red or gold pot to enhance money energy. 2. Jade plant. Why it works. Round leaves represent growth and renewal, ideal for attracting financial success. Placement. Near your home entrance or in your office business cash register area. Pro tip. Avoid placing it in bedrooms or bathrooms. This weakens wealth energy. 3. Lucky bamboo. Why it works. It represents strength, flexibility, and upward growth. The number of stalks also has significance. Placement. East or southeast direction, in water or soil with red ribbon and coins. Pro tip. Keep the water clean and clear to ensure vibrant qi. 4. Plant peace lily. Why it works. Purifies the air and calms the energy, supporting emotional balance and prosperity. Placement. Home office, living room, or any cluttered energy zone. Pro tip. Don't place it in direct sunlight, prefers shaded, calm spaces. 5. Rubber plant. Why it works. Its round leaves symbolize abundance and wealth. Great for attracting prosperity. Placement. In the wealth area, southeast, near the front entrance, or in a corner to uplift stagnant energy. Pro tip. Keep leaves dust-free for smooth energy flow. Which one's already in your home? Follow Feng Shui by Sandeep Raut for weekly energy upgrades and Feng Shui tips.